Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender, and it's time to make the Skittles drink, y'all. First, get your cup of ice. Bam. Alright, so first get your Buzzball grape. Alright, then dump your bag of Skittles in there. Alright, followed by a Lemon Vodka. Followed by an Orange Vodka. And followed by a Lime Vodka. Alright, then you're going to fill it up with the Skittles Original. Alright, time to shake it up. Oh wow, y'all, this is really, really good. You don't even taste the alcohol. It's very, very sweet. Skittles, you're gonna love this, y'all. If you just love candy in general. So if you want something sweet that'll get you lit, this is it. Try this out. Let me know in the comments below. To the next, boozing time, baby. Aw, yeah.